politely, I think we might need some help. You poor hungry pitiful thing, what did you do to yourself? Penetration came too late, but it still happened to her. It hurts in a way that I don't hate, and lies till Daddy Purrs. She hit the ground softly, ran like any other Tuesday. Don't let her cost you nothing. Sorry, as a discount, you don't gotta pay. Hey, officer, keep running from every penny you ever dropped. They hunt for sport, but they're bluffing. Copper tastes like silence stopped. He didn't want nothing. She let him pick up the bill. If you're gonna shoot when you're aiming, pick your target and shoot for the kill. When you break down calmly, make it count.